Oh my goodness. Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I got in this ginormous shopmissa haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, about a month ago, a little over a month, back in November, I am super influenceable, if that's a word. I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers and they were doing a shopmissa try-on look haul, I don't know. And I was like, oh, it's been a while since I've looked at products from shopmissa. And of course she demoed a couple of yada yada. I made a haul. Did I need anything in here? No. Should I unbox it before we turn over into a new year? Yeah, particularly because I do recall that I picked up some non-makeup items to decorate my beauty space for the holidays, and like Christmas is in 3-4 days, so I better dive in before, you know, this becomes an Easter box with Christmas stuff. Okay, let me shut up and let's see what's in this bad boy. And I think it may be large because of the decorations. I always get the bare minimum. I think it's $35 for free shipping, which for any other website is super affordable. On shopmissa, where 9 out of 10 items cost $1, you have to buy a lot of stuff to hit that free shipping. Okay, there's not one, but two of these very dangerous items. I kid, but they're dangerous. These are very well protected in these air bubble wrap. However, oh my God. Yes, that happened. So I'm very scared to pop this. So let's pray I don't get zapped in the face again. Okay. Yes. Okay. Ooh. One down, one to go. Oh my God. Okay. I honestly don't remember anything other than a couple of the holiday items and sponges. You have got to try a sponge from shopmissa. They are fantastic and super affordable. So even though I have backups galore, any and every time I will make a purchase on shopmissa, I'm just going to add to that backup because they are that good. All right, let's start with the holiday stuff so that I can get it in place and move along. So first item was this little guy. It was $1.88. How adorable. And the next two items are identical and I'm super excited. They are some little twinkly lights and they have little snowflakes. In a few minutes you're gonna see them hopefully put up and behind me if that works out and that they don't, you know, they aren't duds. These were each $1.88 as well. Un momento. Y Feliz Navidad. Ta-da! Alright, so is it super festive? Not really. In my head, the lights would look cooler. But hey, I at least have some form of decoration. We have Xmas and some little twinkly lights in the shape of snowflakes. Alright, there is one additional non-makeup item. Actually two of these kind of organization crates. Let me do a close-up of what the final product looks like once put together. It's very light. What I like about it is all the little holes, because that way if it's in my shower, water can drip on through. The crates are $1.88 each. Okay, let's dive into the other bag. All right, so I got not one but two of the AOA Studio Microfiber Wonder Blender, and these are $1.55 each. They're a type of sponge Super soft, super squishy. When you get up wet, they get bigger. But on the outside, it has this microfiber, which I really enjoy for applying my foundation. All right, the next item is a different type of sponge. I also got 2 of them. It is a microfiber Wonder Blender as well. It's a different shape. It's a different color, slightly different size. Where it's flat is slightly different. I've never tried this shape, so I wanted to give that one a try. Okay, and the next item I thought was a weird large sponge, but this is actually a makeup cleaning egg. This is $1, and let me take it out of the bag so I can show you what it looks like. So it has a place to put your finger. This is silicone, and it has these ridges where you can, with soap and water, rub and get your very dirty, how embarrassing, brush a little cleaner. Okay, next item. All right, so I picked up not 1 but 2 of these eyeshadow quads. They are $1.55 each, and I believe this specific quad was the one when I was watching the YouTuber that made me go, oh, let me go shop on shopmissa. Let me do some swatches. Okay, so the first pan has more darker, brighter, pigmented shades. And here is the second one, which has more shimmers and lighter shades, which is why I picked up both, because they both will balance each other out. I am so fair. Can you even see these shades? All right, I am going to enjoy these. This here is the Zinnia palette, and it's the top row. This here is the Eden palette, which is the bottom row. I also picked up a 12-pack of sponge tip eyeshadow applicators. Does anyone else follow Smitha Deepak? She is a fantastic YouTuber who does the most incredible eye looks, and she uses these. It's literally like swipe, swipe, blend, 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 done. And I wanted to give it a try. Maybe, no promises, maybe I'll do one of those videos where I try to follow along what she does, where there's a little box in the corner. Wouldn't that be challenging for me? All right, next item. Again, I got 2 of them because they're super affordable. This is the BB cream, and one is in light and the other is in fair, light, fair. Because you know how I do or don't do when it comes to complexion products shopping online. So I figured if one's too light, one's too dark, I'll just mix the 2. Wow, these are each 30 ml, which is standard for BB cream foundation. For some reason, they seem smaller than that. Okay, next item. Yes. So I got another one of these soap. It's just a tin that has some soap, but it makes it super easy to, when you clean your brushes, you just swirl your brush around and gets all sudsy. Then you can use the silicone, doohickey mabob, and then rub it around. I like this a lot. It's super affordable, $1.55, and it smells really good. Again, I got not 1 but 2, and these are the Diamond Lip Gloss. Couldn't decide on a shade, so I went for 2, probably also to hit the $35 free shipping. I'm not saying any shade names, but one is 1112 and the other is 1104. Let's do some swatches and add to what's already on my face, because you know me, that's how I do. They don't seem to have a scent. There's a very soft, barely there, only because I have a bionic nose, slightly manufacturing product chemical ingredient scent, but it's barely there. There's no fruity or sweet scent. All right, let's take a look at the swatches. So these are beautiful. They are shimmery. If you don't like a shimmer, you probably won't like these. I love a shimmer. One is slightly more pink and one is slightly more peach. All right. Question is, which one goes on my lips? I'm going for 1112, which is the slightly peachier one to go with my current lip and eyeshadow look. You know how I'd describe these? They're very comfortable, not sticky. You can ever so barely there feel a little bit of something, but it's not gritty. Don't get me wrong. These to me are the lip version of the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, but for your lips. If you like an iridescent, little sparkly on your lips, I think you would love these. Okay, and the next item, would it be me shopping if I didn't, stock up on lip products? Because I don't have any. This here is the Lip Pop Lip Gloss in the shade Role Model. Alright, so this one has a very similar doe foot to the last two. Very small, tiny, standard. Similar scent, although this one, it's not strong, but I can pick up on it more on this one. And this here is a solid color. It's beautiful. All of these just go really well together. I don't want to get rid of my shimmery shiny, so shocking, who am I? I'm not gonna put this on my lips. Next item, this here is the Color Flush Liquid Blush by AOA Studio. I know, right? I bet you thought it was another lip product. So did I until I read the side. Okay, wow. I just threw a bunch on my hand, which it seems a little dark, but I bet if you like swirl this out, oh, that's going to be beautiful. Don't be scared if you put it on your hand, because with all blushes, especially liquid blushes, you got to blend them on out. That is a beautiful peachy, dusty rose. Okay, next item. I got a black liquid eyeliner because I don't get enough in my beauty subscription boxes. I don't know why I picked this up. Maybe just because I wanted to try it and I was trying to hit that $35. But hey, I use a liquid liner every time I do my makeup, so yes, we'll go to use. Next item. Ooh, look what I got. I am on the hunt for a black gel eyeliner that will stay on my top waterline and as I blink not transfer down to my bottom waterline. Are you the mystical, magical one? Oh, please be, because you only cost $1 or $1.55. Let me take the plastic off and we can take it for a ride. So far, so good. Usually, and I know it's been on my face for less than 20 seconds. Honestly, every other one, the second I put it on, my first blink, I can tell this one has not transferred thus far. Holy cow, are you my new holy grail? Okay, next item. Oh, no. Okay, so there is one more lip product. This is Velvet Lips Cream Lipstick, non-sticky matte finish. Also from AOA Studios, which is the $1.55 line. And is there a shade? Not that I can see. It will be on the screen if I can figure that part out. Oh, we have a different type of applicator. It's the kind that where there's a little scooped out part to hold the product, and it's slightly tapered, and it flips up a hair. Who am I? That is way darker than I normally wear. However, if you use one of these on top of it, I bet it will really look beautiful and make it not quite so dark. Hang in there, we're almost done, and this will be a shorter video because I'm already sporting makeup, therefore you won't have to sit through the try on. What is this? Okay, so we have, again from AOA Studio, $1.55. This is the Glow Baby, which is a long-lasting, silky, buildable highlighter. Am I wearing highlighter? Yeah. Are we going to throw this on my face? You bet. Alright, there is the swatch. Right there. That is beautiful. Why didn't you tell me I had some mascara on my face? Alright, this is lovely. And if you like using cream products, it's a really good price. Okay, and the next item, I had to. It was $1. It's just another spoolie. I don't do my brows with products other than use a spoolie, which, come to think of it, I did not do today. Sorry. Okay, and the last item is a brush. This here is also from AOA Studio. I picked this one up, I don't know, it was a good price. This size, I don't have too many. It's good for highlighter. I think it'll be good to just use with those eyeshadow sponge tips to just blend, powder, whatever. It's a brush. So that's my haul. What are your thoughts? I'm going to recap everything I picked up and go speed through that part really quickly. Luckily, I got a lot of duplicates, so I can hold those up all at the same time. Starting off with, I got 2 quad eyeshadow palettes, 2 shimmery lip glosses, a matte liquid lipstick, a satin lip gloss, a liquid cream blush, a liquid cream highlighter, a liquid eyeliner, 2 BB creams, one in light and the other in fair, a silicone brush cleaner, a brush cleansing soap, some sponge tip eyeshadow applicators, a black gel eyeliner, 2 of the pink microfiber blending sponges, and 2 of the purple microfiber blending sponges. What are your thoughts? I could barely hold everything. I'm gonna list the grand MSRP total, which this isn't on sale. It was around $35. But I'm gonna list everything in case something caught your eye and you were curious and wanted to pick it up yourself. Speaking of comments, let me know down below if you have ever made a purchase from shopmissa, and if so, what is your favorite product? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it, and if you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos, and if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. Oh, on my recap, I forgot. Also toss in the 2 sets of twinkly lights as well as the Xmas wooden sign. All right, thanks everyone.